Let's make a chapati or roti. Not a regular one. It have a light greenish. You'll be surprised what will be added in this chapati. It's none other than avocado. So it's very healthy, very easy to make. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. With this recipe, we can make 14 small size parathas or chapati. How to cut avocados tips are available in my channel. 2 whole avocado. Get the flesh from it and mash it with a spoon like this. Add 3 green chilies finely chopped, 6 sprigs of cilantro finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of asafoetida, freshly squeezed lemon juice, half, finely chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon. Combine well. You will get a smooth like this. Add 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta. Combine well. Add the whole wheat flour batch by batch and make into a smooth dough consistency. We don't need any water for this recipe. Knead well. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Knead again and rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, make 14 balls like this. Dust some flour, press it and roll it into a thin chapati like this. Onto a hot skillet, add the parathas. You can see it start bubbling. Gently press it. Give a flip. Drizzle a little bit of oil. Spread it. Gently press it again. You will get a fluffy parathas. Flip it back. Drizzle a little bit more oil on the top. A beautiful avocado paratha is ready. Chapati we made. It's very soft. I'm making it for first time, but the flavors are good. The avocado flavor, a hint of chili. Yeah, it's very good flavor. And very soft. Nice, fluffy. When you eat with curries, it will go to the next level. Let's try the avocado chapati with some chicken. I'm trying today with Kshatriya chicken from Andhra. Chicken recipe is there in my channel. Wow. Beautiful soft chicken with beautiful combination from the avocado chapati. Makes it a pure best combination. When you're enjoying and eat, don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. this recipe? Have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you